Hello po, ako nga po pala si TP Jonathan Nung Amorao. Ngayon tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano alagaan ating mga ngipin at mga impormasyon na dapat nyong malaman tungkol dito. Oral hygiene. Ano nga ba ang oral hygiene? Oral hygiene refers to the routine practice of maintaining cleanliness and health in the mouth, aiming to prevent diseases and maintain fresh breath through regular brushing of teeth and adopting effective hygiene practices. Consistently maintaining oral hygiene is crucial in preventing dental problems and halitosis, commonly known as bad breath. By incorporating these habits into daily life, individuals can significantly reduce the risk of oral diseases and ensure their mouths remain healthy and free from issues. Bakit nga ba mahalaga ang oral hygiene? Oral hygiene involves regular habits and practices that ensure the mouth stays clean and healthy, preventing diseases and maintaining fresh breath. This includes brushing your teeth regularly and adopting effective hygiene routines. Consistently practicing good oral hygiene is essential for preventing dental issues and halitosis, commonly known as bad breath. By integrating these habits into their daily routines, individuals can greatly lower the likelihood of oral diseases and maintain overall mouth health. Among dental problems, isa dito ay yung stained teeth, refer to teeth that have become discolored. Ito yung madilaw ng ngipin at ito ay minsan yellow, brown, gray due to various factors such as sa foods, beverage, tobacco, pati na rin sa poor oral hygiene. Sunod naman ay cracked tooth. It is a dental condition where fracture or crack extend from the tooth, showing surface toward the root, often causing pain and sensitivity. Pangatlo naman ay cavities, also known as dental caries, decayed areas of teeth where bacteria have eroded the enamel, leading to holes or pits in the tooth structure. Pang-apat naman ay toothache. Typically manifests as pain or discomfort in a tooth, often caused by dental decay, infection, or trauma to the tooth of surrounding tissues. Ang panglima naman ay gum problems such as gingivitis or periodontitis are conditions characterized by inflammation, bleeding, and potential recession of the gums, primarily caused by the plaque buildup due to poor oral hygiene. So, pag hindi tayo nag-toothbrush, hindi natin nilinis ang ating ngipin ng maayos, maaaring mag-build up ng plaque na nagkakos ng gum problems at paghina ng ating ngipin. So, ano nga ba mga benefits of having good hygiene? Isa dito ang prevents cavities and gum diseases. So, pag maintain natin ang good oral hygiene, mape-prevent ito ang cavities and gum disease, ma-achieve din natin yung proper brushing at least twice daily and flossing regularly, which is effectively reduces these common dental issues. Sunod naman ay having a bright smile. So, if meron tayong good oral hygiene, magkakaroon tayo ng confident and attractive smile na magiging advantages natin sa pang-araw-araw natin, such as improved career opportunities and interpersonal relationships. Man ay prevent serious diseases. Maintaining good oral hygiene also contributes to overall better health and reduce the risk of conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and dementia. And lastly, stops bad breath. So, sa pagtututbrush and regular dental cleanings help eliminate plaque and prevent the build-up of tartar on your teeth para mawala yung bad breath natin. 5 steps to good oral care. 1 is brush regularly, watch your diet, floss daily, schedule a checkup, and change your toothbrush. Ngayon naman ay tooth anatomy. So sa upper jaw, meron tayo central incisor, lateral incisor, canine or cuspid, first premolar, second premolar, first molar, second molar, wisdom tooth or third molar. While doon naman sa lower jaw, meron tayong wisdom tooth, third molar, second molar, first molar, second premolar, first premolar, canine, lateral incisor, and central incisor. Tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-toothbrush. Una ay mag-lubricate tayo sa toothbrush natin with small amount of water. Then, put a small amount of toothpaste about the size of a pea on the head of the toothbrush. Then insert the toothbrush into your mouth at about 45-degree angle to your gums and use gentle, short stroke to brush your front teeth. So pagkatapos nun, brush the outside surfaces of your teeth para ma-make sure natin na bumalik tayo dun sa molars and sa upper areas of your chewing surfaces. Then, ipi-flip natin yung ating toothbrush upside down to get the inside surface of your top front teeth. Flip it back around to get the inside surface of your bottom front teeth. Sunod naman is, syempre, wag natin kakalimutan na i-brush ang ating tongue kasi minsan dito nagbi-build up yung mga bacteria or yung plaque na nag-stuck during the brushing process. Then lastly, spit out the remnants of toothpaste, saliva, and water in a clean sink. Finish by rinsing your mouth with cold water. Ang oral health ay mahalaga sa kalusugan, pagkatao at kalidad ng pamumuhay ng bawat tao. Ang malusog na bibig ay nagbibigay daan sa maayos na pagkain, pagsasalita, at pakikisalamuha na walang iniindang sakit. Pahalagahan ng kalusugan ng bibig at ngipin.